Xiaomi skips 16 series launches 17 series on September 24th. This unexpected jump aligns the numbering directly with Apple's upcoming iPhone 17. The brand has given the first official glimpse of its upcoming Xiaomi 17 Pro series through teasers on social media. The entire rear camera housing of the Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max is replaced with a functional secondary screen. This screen is expected to support notifications, time display, multitasking, AI interactions, and cross-device functions, expanding on the small secondary display seen earlier in the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. The Pro series maintains Leica branding on the back, continuing the company's partnership for imaging. The rear camera layout has 3 lenses, with 2 large sensors placed vertically within the module and a smaller third lens alongside the flash. The Xiaomi 17 Pro will be a compact flagship, whereas the Pro Max will be its larger version. The lineup will also include the standard Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max official in-box cases leaks. All 3 models in the series will launch with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The Xiaomi 17 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a 6,300 mAh battery supporting 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. The larger Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is said to carry a 6.8-inch 2K display with 94% screen-to-body ratio and a 7,500 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.